In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload pictures to a Dropbox folder. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step to ensure your images are uploaded smoothly and securely. First, we'll start by heading over to the Dropbox website. Open your web browser and type in dropbox.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you might want to create one, which is fairly straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set it up. Assuming you are already a Dropbox user, enter your email and password and click on the sign in button to get started. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Dropbox main page. Here, you'll see a list of all the files and folders currently saved in your Dropbox. Browse through your folders to locate the one where you'd like your pictures to be uploaded. It's always a good idea to use meaningful names for your folders if you find it challenging to locate your desired folder. This can save you time in the long run when managing your files. Next, you will want to look for the upload button. You can generally find it near the top of the page, just under the search bar. It might also appear as an option labeled drop. Both lead to the same outcome. Once you've located this option, click on it to proceed with the upload sequence. Now, among the choices available, you should see an option labeled File. Clicking on File will open your computer's File Explorer. This is where you'll select the specific pictures you wish to upload to your Dropbox. Within your File Explorer, navigate to the folder that contains the pictures you want to upload. You can select multiple pictures at once by holding down the Control key or Command on a Mac, while clicking on each file, allowing you to upload them simultaneously. This can be a huge time saver when dealing with large batches of photos. After you've made your selections, click the Open button within your File Explorer window. This action will initiate the upload process, sending your chosen pictures to your specified Dropbox folder. You should see some kind of progress indicator within Dropbox, assuring you that the files are indeed being uploaded. And that's it. Once the upload is complete, your pictures are safely stored in your Dropbox folder and accessible from any device connected to your account. Utilizing Dropbox for your photo storage is a great way to keep your images organized and readily accessible wherever you might need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.